Go.
Hi, my name is JT Thrash.
Hi, I'm James Campbell.
Hi, my name is Maladiso.
And camera guy here is Joe Noah.
For our program, we designed an LCD counter program that if you stop it on 10, then you win, but if you stop at any other sort of time, it will be a loss. So our inputs for our program are our push buttons. So RB1 will start the program and begin counting, then RB0 stops it. So our output is our LCD screen that's going to show the time, and it's also going to display either a win or a loss message. And then the whole relationship for our program is pressing the push buttons will control what sort of output message is going to display on the LCD and tell you whether or not you've won your game.
All right, so this is the flow diagram of what's happening with our program here. We start by displaying the initial message. Well, welcome to our game. You hope you're ready to lose. It's kind of difficult. Then we just check to see if RB1 is pressed. That's what's going to initialize the game. Until then, we're just waiting until it's finally pressed. Once it is pressed, the program begins. Run equals 1. It's going. We check to see if it's running. Well, it is. It just started. So now we begin counting on the LCD display. From there, we're going to see when the stop button is pressed. Is it pressed? No? Well, keep counting. Is it pressed? Yes, it is pressed. So then stop the program. Is the program running? No. So from there, then we check to see if the person won given the time. If the time is not 10, then that is correct, and that means they lost. And then time goes back to 0, starts all over again, and it waits for the game to begin so the person can try again. In the slight chance you do win the game, and it's not 10, meaning it is 10, then you won the game, time restarts, and you can play again if you're feeling lucky.
Awesome. All right, so here we're gonna go through the code and how I manage the timing and how I manage the input and the output relation. So here, when the code starts, we have some global variables. So those are actually the message we're gonna be displaying. So we have in total 4 messages. Fun games, stop at 10, you win, you lose, and then RB1 to start. And then right here, we have 2 functions. So I have my wait function, and then I have my LCD out. So LCD out is just a function that helps me display on the LCD with the accuracy of decimal point. And then my main routine. So if you go a little down, so I have my main routine right here. So we can see here that trace B equal to 0xFF. That means that port B is gonna be our input. And then we initialize the LCD display. And then I have my variables equals to 0 at the beginning. So right here, we display some message first. So this one display fun game, and then the other one display RB1 to start, as you can see on the peak. So we're still waiting here. So we're waiting here to press RB1. When RB1 is pressed, then this loop is skipped, and then the program begins. So RB1 is pressed. That means run equals 1. If run equals 1, then we display a message on the LCD, and then the timer starts. And then once the timer starts, we check again if RB0 is pressed. If RB0 is pressed, then run equals 0, then it stops, and then it checks if test equals to 11. If test is not equal to 11, then you lose, and yes. Okay, so here my test variable is actually what I have, my variable that's taking the time, the actual time. So when I check here, if text is not equal to 11, that means I want to display the lose message. Else, then I display the run message. And then that's it. Okay, so here is when we're actually trying to have our timing, our counting on the LCD display at 250 milliseconds on the board. So the way we did that is with those 2 wait seconds. So with the oscilloscope, we try to adjust it to have exactly 250 milliseconds. So I have to adjust my wait and my wait millisecond to have a timing of 250 milliseconds on the board.
Hey, this is my LCD display. My program starts with a fun game RB1 to start. If I press RB0, nothing will display on my LCD. But when I start with RB1, the program starts to run. When I stop, it is 24. That means I lose. Before I can win, I need to have my LCD display 10. Then I have to start again with RB1. Then I have 22. Then I have 10. That means I win. This is the end of the game.